Like,
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Jasmine, and I'm back with another video. As y'all can tell by the title, today I'm about to be doing my boyfriend hair.
yo, who?
My bae hair.
Yo, who?
What are you? My baby daddy? My muncher?
I'm your fucking husband, the ring, no ring. How long we done fucking been together?
He said he's my husband with no
It ain't my fault
ring.
you fucked
He
shit
said
up
he's my husband with no ring. Where's the ring at?
on her neck that she
It's
that
not
she
clicking,
broke.
Linda.
That
It's
she
not
fucked
clicking,
up.
Linda.
That she lost
It's
a
not
pretty pricey stone out of. Nah.
I'm about to do
You
his
ain't
hair
telling them
today.
that.
Tell them if they're new to my channel.
That I look like.
Stop. If you're new to my channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe because your girl just hit 800 subscribers. So, hey to all my new
Hey, yo, I got a
subscribers.
question, man. I ask people this, and they always tell me, "Is my forehead big?" I feel like I got a big ass forehead.
Compare it to mine.
Woo! But I feel like I got a big ass
Ooh,
forehead.
mine's kind of giving under the bag.
You know what I'm saying? Is it giving?
I took my picture today for my new license. Babe, you got an okay forehead. I done seen worse.
Man, my shit.
Okay, so anyways, if you're new to my channel, make sure you like,
Y'all
comment,
see
and
the inches,
subscribe.
though? The growth?
We about to do his hair today.
Y'all see the growth in the inches on me?
And yeah.
A bitch couldn't have it.
Okay, mama's got some putty, and she not supposed to take that putty out the bathroom.
Take the putty back upstairs, mama.
Take the putty back upstairs. But y'all stay tuned for this video. Y'all gonna catch me on the camera doing his hair. Or I might just show the final results. Who knows? Which one me to do? You want me to record the whole thing, or you just want me to what?
I don't know what you're gonna do.
What you want to do?
Don't you?
Are you?
So good.
You're shy.
And I'm about to get this shit done for the.
Babe, my birthday is next week. It's next Friday.
I know.
Just letting you know. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. What that mean?
I mean, you ain't getting nothing unless it's for the free.
Well, I want a 5-star meal restaurant. I want my feet scratched and I want a bath. And I want the house clean. I want. No, you said for the free.
I'm trying to
For
tell
the
you.
free. I'm trying to tell you what else I want.
Listen.
And I want my back rubbed.
That's outside.
Anyways, so I'm gonna just make you an itinerary of my birthday since it gotta be photo free. It's a lot of stuff you can do photo free. Y'all know what I meant? Photo free. So yeah, my birthday will still be lit in all type of aspects and ways. But y'all stay tuned because it's
What happened on my birthday? What did I get?
Oh baby. Oh, you want me to go back to the receipts? Put the receipts the fuck out?
Hell the fuck yes.
Okay, I'm about to put the receipts out because at the end of the day, even if it was for the free, I did something for you.
What do we do? I'm trying to remember. That's how low it was. I don't even fucking
That's how low it was? You're
what
cap.
you do?
I know I gave you money.
You gave me some money.
Yes,
with $5?
100%. Oh, wow. You're really trying to talk on the camera.
You gave me $5?
So that's how you're trying to act.
No, I'm just saying. I don't remember.
Oh, so I gave you $5 for your birthday. Be real.
What did you give
five
me?
smashes on
For real,
camera.
like what you give me?
I don't like you. This is why we don't record on our main channel if y'all wondering. Because we really don't get along.
Where the fuck you get glitter from? You always coming home with fucking glitter. What $5 hoe you been on?
$5? No, they cost $40.
Yeah, shit. $40, $30, $20 hoe. They all the hoes.
Don't worry about my hoes. Anyways,
yeah,
y'all.
That's some shit on your lip. That shit on your lip got some shit on his lip. Damn fucking cheap ass glitter. This ain't even the expensive glitter.
Is you done?
Huh?
Is you done?
Are you done?
Are you done?
Are you done?
Yeah, I'm done. This is why we don't get along now.
But afraid.
Alright, y'all. I'll be back on the camera, show y'all his final results. Do you even know how you want your hair? Watch this. How you want your hair?
Huh? Chill the fuck out, fool.
Who you talking to?
Chill the fuck out,
Who
fool.
is you talking to?
You being outside. Alright, no, I got this one star. It's low-key tough.
Why you can't just talk like yourself? Why you trying to talk like somebody else?
Because I was just watching them niggas and it'd be like a moment.
Okay, so how do you want
But
your hair?
I think I'm gonna. Do I want braids? Do I want some singles?
Comment down below how I should do his hair, y'all. Comment down below what y'all think I should do to his hair. Cause yeah, but we about to get.
Shay, I look rough as fuck right now.
Okay, can you stop cussing on my channel? I don't do that much cussing over here.
I look rough as right now.
Sound like something in your throat.
Like yours this morning.
Anyways, I'm done. You're done. We're done. You might not even get this freaking hair done.
Somebody
today.
gonna do it.
No, somebody not gonna do your
My hair is gonna get done.
I'm not gonna do it. If you
Anybody out there with any type of skills, if she's not gonna do my hair, I need to make an appointment. My shit not hard to do.
Y'all stay tuned while I do this.
God damn, mine's real. Don't be grabbing on this shit.
Y'all stay tuned while we gonna come back.
Shit was real.
And I'm gonna do his hair.
For the first.
I might not do it today. It's for real.
Nah, this shit getting done for the first. Y'all could ponytail
You can
my
quit
shit.
talking.
There's a lot of these out here can't even ponytail. Don't make me get a holder.
Alright, y'all. I'll be back. Like I said,
My hair
if you
curly
watch
as
this
fuck
video
for
all the way
real.
to the end, now what's the secret emoji? So I'm gonna let you tell them what the secret emoji
The
is.
secret emoji is freaking football because the Browns about to win today.
Alright, y'all. Comment down below a football emoji for the secret code if you watch this video all the way through. And I'll be back on the camera to show y'all what I do to his hair. If I do his hair, like I said, if I do his hair, like I said, because I might not do it. I might not. It might not get done today. Look, he playing too much. One, whenever it's time to do his hair, he play too much. He take up all my day, all my time. He don't know what he want done to his hair. And then he fall asleep soon as he get in the chair. He fall asleep. So yeah, he might not get his hair done today. Babe, that's real nasty. For you to lick me and
You don't say it's nasty when I lick you any other time, but now it's on camera in front of the people. It's nasty.
Alright, y'all, I'm not doing his hair. I'm gonna just end this video right here. I don't know why I even came on the camera today.
Yeah!
No!
Yeah!
You is so annoying.
Yeah!
I don't even know what I deal with you. I don't even know
That
what I
boy be
deal.
putting that back in a coma. What are you talking about? Yeah!
Can you do what you supposed to be doing?
I'm trying to.
Oh yeah, let me kind of. Okay, so all right, y'all, we gonna come back. No, we're not gonna come. Should I show them your hair? I don't know. I'm confused, so
Hey,
I'm
y'all
gonna
better
say.
cherish this video. Y'all never see me like this again.
Bye, y'all. So right now we playing this game.
No, this music on.
So y'all see him sitting on the couch watching the game.
I'm about to go get my hair done.
By who?
Don't worry about it.
I don't care. You been sitting on the couch. You made an appointment. You been sitting on the couch and your hair, rubbing your hair and stuff. So yeah, I'm not doing his hair, y'all. His hair appointment is canceled. I just okay. Well, I just had to cancel on my client today, so y'all won't get no hair video. So this is what happens when people don't send in deposits. I just want y'all to learn lessons if you do come into this hair business or if
It's
you want.
stinking here anyway.
You're capping. Shut up. You want to just say stuff now? You can leave. You can leave. You can leave. Bye, sir. Exactly. So y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I just showing y'all how people waste my time and talk about they want their hair done and then
I
they
want to sit down because she got roaches.
ooh, babe, can you please stop? Like, you really doing too much now. Say that's not true. I want you to, or I'm going to beat you up. Because that's not funny to sit up here and portray that. And you live with me, and you lay in the same bed with me, and you talking about I got roaches.
She got roaches.
I don't got no fucking roaches. Never did, never lived with them, never have, never will.
You
Cause,
do got roaches.
babe, stop
All in the
playing.
ashtray.
Babe.
We got roaches in the ashtray.
You not getting your hair done. That's why you're not getting your hair done.
Got roaches in the ashtray.
Cause you got roaches in the ashtray.
Got roaches in the ashtray.
Alright, I'm done with him, y'all. So y'all see why.
Roaches in the ashtray.
Y'all see why he not getting his hair.
Roaches in the
Y'all see exactly why. So
Roll
y'all.
them roaches out the ass. Cause you're gonna have a
I'm done, y'all. Bye, y'all.
Rolling up in roach.
So as I'm watching the game, look, y'all. So y'all, as y'all can see, this was a failed video, and my baby on me sleep. So I'm on mommy duty. I was supposed to be on hair duty, but I canceled that appointment. And yeah, y'all, stay tuned for more videos. This is just the real life of me. People, you know, have to get blocked. I'm blocking this client. Y'all will see this client blocked.
Use your real voice while you trying to block somebody.
Y'all will see this client blocked. What you mean use my real voice? This is my real voice. Everybody has different types of voice. You be using different types of voice too. So just hop off my
Voice
just hop off my Talking about I be using the fake voice. I have different voices for different energies. Like, okay, so say I'm in my
fake ass bitches.
I'm tired of you. You're gonna get beat up. Like, you need to calm down. You're doing too much. Y'all stay tuned for more videos. This will be the last video he be in. Probably that's why I made my own channel, because I can't take him serious. He over there looking super ugly. You done? Close the video out since you want to be. You is stupid. You're annoying.
I'm about to play Minion Run.
I don't care what you about to do, honestly. Take your daughter upstairs, though. Man, for real, come get her.
In your lap.
Babe, come get her.
I'm not going upstairs. I take her upstairs every day.
If you take her upstairs, I'll do that one thing you don't like.
Dang, you like something? But how come you take her upstairs? You also like it.
Alright, y'all, I'm about to end this video right here. For real. I'm done. I'm done with him. I'm done with everything. I'm about to relax. I'm not about to do nothing. But y'all stay tuned for more videos. And no, he won't be on the channel probably no more. Unless I just don't got no type of content in I put for now. He done. He's out the picture. He's not a part of this channel. He's not. He just always, one, he's always trying to talk stuff. Two, he just do so much. He can't come over here no more. We can take this to the main channel though. If he really want to take all this energy to the main channel, we can take it to the main channel. But that's not about to be over here on this channel, y'all. So y'all stay tuned for more videos that I have with the kind of content that I said I will be posting. And if a client just cancels on me, I will just expose that client. I'm just playing. I'm not gonna expose no client if they cancel on me. Like, but him, yeah, he gotta go. Wasting my time. That is cool though. Here he come. I'm about to tell him what's up too. He trying to come down naked.
When it comes to my bitch, I'm straight active. Dirt ball in the coupe, smoking cat piss. Little bitch, shut the fuck up. Tell your best friend